Your ROCT-C1 uses a single, all-in-one RO cartridge, designed for simple, no-fuss replacement. For best results, swap it out every 12 months, or when the system lets you know it's time. You'll know it's time to replace the filter when the filter life indicator blinks or stays solid red, water output slows significantly, taste or clarity noticeably changes. Before getting started, turn off the power and unplug the unit. Remove both the tap water tank and purified water jug. Let the system cool for 15 minutes if recently used. Grab the front panel and pull it gently towards you. It'll pop right off. You'll see the filter cartridge sitting just behind it. Hold the old filter firmly, twist counterclockwise, and pull straight out. Note: some residual water may drip. Use a cloth or towel to protect surfaces. Unbox your new replacement filter and align the connector tabs with the port inside the unit. Insert the cartridge and turn clockwise until it locks into place with a firm click. Make sure it's securely installed before closing the panel. Press and hold the filter reset button on the display panel for 3 seconds. The filter light will turn off, confirming a successful reset. Reinstall the tanks, plug the unit back in, and fill up the tap water tank. Run 2 to 3 full cycles and discard the water. This flushes out the new filter. Want the best results? Do a cold tank flush while you're at it. That's it! Your APEC ROCT-C1 is now refreshed and ready to deliver clean, purified water. Need more filters or help? Check the manual or visit our website.